Hey everybody, it's Bruce Nature Calls, and I'm going to do a little quick how-to on how to use these plastic tensioners. Some tents, when you get them, their guy lines come with these little plastic 3-hold tabs, and they don't really give much information on how to use them. And I've seen them used in many creative ways. So let's just do a quick little how-to on how to adjust these and get them set up. So here is the little gadget that it comes with. It's usually got a knot, and then the string goes through one side to the middle hole, out, and then down that side. What you want to do, and this is the string that goes to your tent, what you want to do is you want to take this loop over here. So we want to use that, pull that loop out. And this is where you're going to stick your stake through, that end right down there. So now what we want to do is we want to grab the plastic, and grab the plastic, grab the string that's coming out of this middle right there, and just pull. Just pull. And that gives you your tension. They actually work really, really well. All right, so maybe that'll help you out or help somebody out. I know I've seen all kinds of ways how to not use them, so hope that'll help. All right, see you out on the trail. Bye now.